Hello, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my tutorial video series for my newest sewing pattern, the Findlay Phone Wallet. To make the Findlay Phone Wallet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website at the link below. I'll walk you through the instructions as you're making this pattern. This is the first video in the series, and in this video I will describe the features of the Findlay Phone Wallet and cover all the supplies you'll need. The Findlay Phone Wallet is a beginner-friendly, speedy-to-make scrap buster. Securely snapped beneath the flap is a spot ideal for your phone or cash, as well as 3 card slots. The main zipper pouch compartment keeps essentials handy and can also be used for a phone. The strap makes this phone wallet a standalone wristlet or an accessory to keep in a larger bag. I've included instructions in the pattern for both heavy-duty snaps as well as magnetic snaps for the flap. With minimal supplies needed, this versatile Findlay Phone Wallet makes a great quick sew for gifts or sewing up a batch for a craft fair. On page 2 of your pattern, you'll find the list of supplies. You will need a 1/4 yard or 1 fat quarter of quilt weight cotton, canvas, or linen for fabric 1, and this is the fabric seen on the exterior. You will also need for fabric 2, 1/4 yard or 1 fat quarter of quilt weight cotton, and this is the fabric used to line your Findlay Phone Wallet. Lastly, for fabric 3, you will need 1/4 yard or 1 fat quarter of quilt weight cotton, canvas, linen, or home deck fabric. Fabric 3 is used for the flap and wristlet strap. I want to refer you to the cover page of your pattern as you're planning your fabrics. You'll see a diagram marked for each pattern piece and where it appears within the Findlay Phone Wallet. You'll find all of the fabrics needed under the list of supplies on page 2. I will now cover the interfacing I suggest for this pattern listed under supplies on page 2. You will need 1 yard of 20-inch woven interfacing, such as Pellon SF 101 or similar. You will need a piece of medium stabilizer for the flap, 3.5 inches by 6.5 inches, and I use Decaville Light, or you can use something similar. For the snaps, you need a 2-inch by 2-inch piece of ultra-firm stabilizer, such as Pellon Peltex. If you intend to keep your phone in the pouch compartment of your wallet, you may want to add the optional piece of fusible fleece on the back panel exterior. The layer of fleece gives extra cushioning to the back of the pouch compartment. I used a 4.5-inch by 8-inch piece of Pellon 987F, or you can use something similar. For the complete listing of interfacing and stabilizer you'll need, once again, please see page 2 under the supply list. I will now go over the notions and hardware needed. You will need either 2 magnetic snaps or 2 heavy-duty snaps plus tools for installation. I will walk through the instructions for using a basic heavy-duty snap kit such as this one produced by Dritz, both in the pattern instructions and in this video series. You will need a 9-inch or longer number 3 zipper. This can be a standard nylon zipper, zipper by the yard, or metal zipper. For your hardware, you need 1 1/2-inch D-ring and 1 1/2-inch swivel hook. You will need 1 set of double-capped metal rivets and tools for installation. Last of all, you will need a fabric marking pen and liquid fabric sealant such as Dritz Fray Check. The complete list of notions and hardware is included on page 2 of your sewing pattern. As you're deciding on your fabrics, you may want to check out the lookbook for inspiration. The lookbook is a collection of the Findlay Phone Wallets made by my testing team. Each interpretation is completely unique and beautiful. Once you've chosen your fabrics and supplies for your unique vision of this pattern, join me for the second video where I will go over the unique features of this Hold It Right There pattern and walk you through preparing the fabrics and interfacing. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.